I find my peace. A canvas painted green, nature's masterpiece. Fields of emerald stretching far and wide. The heartbeat of the earth, the calming tide. Beneath the branches, shadows play. In this tranquil realm I long to stay. Oh, the greens that breathe a lullaby. In the arms of the wild I feel so high. Fields and forests, a soothing call. In nature's haven, I'm home after all. Mountains cradle for its ancient and wise, where sunlight kisses dew on blades that rise. The colors dance in harmony, a vibrant song. Each petal, root and stem where I belong. Nature's